everyone, it's me, Puppy, and today we are going to be looking at the May Ipsy bag. And I am a little behind because some things happened and I just haven't been feeling the best. So just gonna get right into it because I'm far behind and I just need to put all 4 paws on the ground and go. So, May. Beautiful. Love this pink and yellow. Y'all know I hate yellow, but I think this actually works very well. It's simple, it's a nice gradient ombre, and this little tassel is so cute and fun too. But it's what's inside, right? So, first things first. I had to pick the biggest thing, of course, and it is this pure Brazilian daily anti-frizz serum. And so this is for hair. I don't use my hair in videos. I barely use my hair outside of videos. So it's not happening. I'm probably not going to use this. I'll probably send this to my friend. My stepmother told me to stop playing with my hair. It's so in my face. So I'm looking for different wigs that are not in my face. But I do have clips coming, so I can just clip it all back. But okay. It looks like conditioner, actually. Oh, ooh. It smells extremely perfumey. Like, no. It smells like potpourri. You know, the little flakes in the box that, Nona used to have everywhere in her house. It smells like that. Oh, but, whoops. Okay, well, the next item popped out of the bag. And it is, ooh, this adorable pink, this adorable pink brush that I can't seem to keep in my hands. It's super fluffy. Fluff. And it would be great as to blend out. It is a little too big for my eye, as most brushes are, but that's okay. I love the little pink rhinestones, the little glitter thing, and it's gonna look so cute with all my other brushes in its little cute pink package. Oh yay! Oh no! Oh no! Tummy's coming apart already. Okay, no. Alright. I am a magical girl now. I have a Catrice Sakura hand mirror. And it is the cutest thing ever. Catrice Sakura is my favorite anime. And I just had to get this, and I love it, and I just used it for this look today. If you want to know what I used for this look, it's all down in the description. So, I just wanted to show this off, because I'm doing. Okay, y'all, it is like 90-something degrees in here. It's like 80-something outside, but I live on the 6th floor, and my AC's broken, and no one's fixing it because North Carolina, they're not required to fix ACs in the summer, only in winter, because they're also heat, and also because of the whole pandemic thing, maintenance just doesn't give a shit. But, just continue on. And we've got this, Tarte, I like Tarte, H2O gloss, this tiny little gloss. Not sure the color. Sail Away. It's called Sail Away. And we are going to, okay, it's a gloss. It's, glosses are gloss. It's a nice color. It's very nude. It looks like it's going to be the same color as my lip. Just gotta gloss all over my new dress. Go on, puppy. Way to appreciate the gift. Okay, so that's very nude. It is, I'll use it, but I'll probably put it over a lipstick. We got 3 items left. Oh, this was actually an add-on that I paid $3 for. And it is the Naked Cosmetics Lip Scrub in Vanilla Cream. And I'm just gonna, yep, it's very scrub-like. And you know, it's got sugar in it, it's got oils. Just put it on your lips, exfoliate your lips, make them all nice, soft, and smooth. And oh, it does smell like vanilla cream. It smells like birthday cake. I was gonna buy a Jstarr one, but $3, cute. I'll take it. Alright, 2 more items. This is the Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. Oh, I just got some arnica gel because I burst all the capillaries in my face last week and I needed arnica to get the bruising gone faster and the redness gone faster. So, let us open this little boy. Okay, it's like a minty green color. Not bad. Smells like mint. Definitely mint. Mentholy, which I'm sure is good for nice red burned skin. Probably gonna feel really good tonight when I use it when I am not so sweaty. It is very sweaty in here. Last item is the one I picked out, which is the Jstarr Color and Face Skin on Skin BC Concealer. It is a BB and CC cream. Full coverage concealer in light cool, which is my skin tone. And that's what it looks like. It definitely does look, oh yeah, that is exactly my skin color. If you can see it, you can't because it blended in perfectly. I'm such a dork. Okay, so that was this month's. I went a little fast because I'm dying in this outfit. Oh my god, I hate summer. I hate summer so much. But I think my favorite thing is going to be that brush, which I put over there. And definitely this lip scrub. We had not too many things this month. Just definitely giving this away. But I also do like this little lip gloss. That's going over some stuff. Or just on its own, you know, you can wear lip gloss on its own. I'm wearing it today on my own. Anyways, if you liked this video, I do one every single month. This month there will be 2 because my June box bag just shipped. So look for that next week. And if you liked this, please like, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever you want to do. And as always, this is Puppy. Bye.